Transform. Imagine how many people we know that they want to transform their body, their mind, their spirit, their lifestyle. What is a transformation? Transformation is a thorough or dramatic change. Transformation can happen in the moment of a decision. Think about it this way. It's not a diet. It's not all of the noise. It's not having to create meal planning or create a long-term commitment. By using ketones, you can shift simply because of the technology. And up until now, no one had the ability to use technology to make that shift. Well, we're here to prove it to you. You drink one drink in the morning and one drink in the afternoon. It's that simple. We always say this, the only diet that works is the diet you'll stick with. We're not trying to challenge you to shift your lifestyle. What we want you to do is just simply drink ketones for 10 days and see the difference that it makes in your life. I know this for a fact. You drink them for 10 days, if you don't feel the difference as you're drinking them, the day that you get off, you will. You can expect better focus. You can expect better mood. You can expect results. In just 10 days of taking a drink 2 times a day, you can expect results. You can expect better. It's not just about working harder, it's also about working smarter. And today, biotechnology is here. Our bodies are computers. They run over 3,000 genes every single minute. The question is your operating system operating at its maximum capacity? That's what drink ketones are going to do. But we want you to simply focus on you being the best version of yourselves. And we know through the last 4 years and millions of servings in the marketplace that ketones do that because it helps optimize your computer. It helps optimize your metabolics. Transform.